My whitewater snappers right there. Nice little ones, right? So I'm gonna do with my Escovitch fish. So I'm gonna score them up real quick and then spice them up. So as you can see, I scored them up nice so that the spices get in cleaned out nicely. Keep in mind, these came all the way from Bermuda, you know. And then I'm gonna do this, like I said, with my shrimp, but to be continued. Okay, basically, right, like I said, I already done up my spices and all that, as you can see, right? But I'm gonna mix it with a little bit of flour together. I put it in a bag and then the fish in there like that, so, you know, it could even out. You'll see. To be continued. Some flour in there real quick. Not too much.
And then we're going to put generous amount in there as well. But before we put that in, we're going to glaze over it up because there's some more of this, like I said, my spices are made from scratch, you know. And then you'll see, watch. Yeah, a little bit of wiggle, come on, as you can see that, let's go. Check it out. So you can see the spices on there, look. Come on now, fully marinated, man, by your spice. So now we're just going to get some of the spice here, so look, double some in there, all on the top. Don't be shy, guys, don't be shy. So you get it all in there. So this one's go. To the belly. See that, look at that. Look at that, look guys, look. Oh my goodness. I'm going to put one in there, I'll put them both in there, to be honest. Shake it out real quick. Now I have the same spices in there, so now, look. Look at that, look, shake them off, right, and they're ready to be fried. So as you see, I'm cleaning and deburning my prawns, took this, you know, caught out, cook, and gonna do up that in a little bit. Wash. So yeah, do that process a little bit, straight to my lamb to finish off. Then do these up, chop up some garlic. Yeah, wash. Now I'm add some more of my spices to my shrimp. Mix them all up, look. Prepare them for cooking my garlic shrimp, innit? Add some garlic in there and all that, and then fry up some, you know, shrimp. These are my vegetables for my coconut shrimp, innit? So I got some red onion, some regular and green sweet pepper, some fresh sage that I'll grow my allotment, and some fresh thyme that I bought from Tesco, and then some fresh garlic. Got some nice fresh ripe plantain, so I'm gonna fry that up as well. Look at that, guys, look. Nice. It's not bananas, plantain, guys. And then I got 10 of them, so I'm gonna do one of these here, and then do the same process. Then I cut off the nice portions, so I got one of those, there's quite a cinco. See what I'm saying? So, then fry them up a little bit, and then put them over, smash them out, and basically be like fritters. And pull the hairs off the shrimp, because yeah, but see, look at that, marinating up nice. Now, let's heat up our wok real quick. So shit, wrong side. That's sarcastic, guys. Wrong side. Look at my fried fish in that, my candy beans in that. Just got my chicken in there, because I had it in a slow cooker, so I got it in the air fryer. You know, to keep it really crispy in the spot. Took it to it. So let that boil, let that melt down a little bit. Yes, lovely, look at that. Bottom up margarine, guys, okay? Red, good and green peppers in there, or sage. Some red onion. More sage. Some fresh thyme. Let that simmer down a little bit. Don't forget your garlic, guys. Oh my dear, this is coming along lovely. Smell the garlic in there. Yes. Keep it up, keep it. So again, now add another stick of butter in there. Oop. Let that glaze down. Add a bit of coconut cream in there. Not too much. And now, let's add our shrimps. We cook them to get nice and red and cooked. And then we add our cream in there. Our coconut milk. Now, guys, this is, look at that. It's coming along lovely, isn't it? Well, that's cooking down. Put on my oil, start up my fish. Where's my fish? There the white water's over there. Chilling out.
Look at that, guys, look at that. Oh, that's just about done, right? Ready? No, that's at the coconut milk. Oh my gosh. To be continued. Oh my dears, guys, look at that. Garlic, coconut, shrimp. So take a look at the sauce, look at that. Nice. Look at that. Coconut shrimp. Garlic coconut shrimp. Look. Lovely. Fold that up, sauce to get a bit more thicker. Let me taste test that filling. Marvelous. That's that.